Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create this gorgeous smoky look we have here. Smoky looks are very good, they are very versatile, and they work with almost every occasion. So I'm going to teach you guys how to create this beautiful smoky look here with a twist. And before we get right into it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe down there below to my channel, and then also turn on the notification button so I'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Meanwhile guys, before we also start, I hope we are all being safe. I hope we are all staying at home. Guys, the situation is getting, the numbers just keep going up every day, and I really hope we are all staying safe. We are washing our hands, we are sanitizing our hands, and generally we are just being safe, because guys, this is no joke. Seriously, this is no joke. So all right, that's it. I just hope you guys are all safe. I hope you guys are all okay, and while we are at home, it's always a good, it's always good to learn new things, and I hope you guys have fun. I hope you guys learn a thing or two watching this video. All right, let's get back. So I applied my foundation and I did my brows off camera. So the first thing I usually do before starting any eyeshadow look is to apply my eyeshadow base. This is the P.Louise base. So my eyes tend to crease a lot. This base helps to stop the creasing, and then it also helps your eyeshadow more vibrant. It makes your eyeshadow last longer, and then your colors pop more. So I just apply a little bit of that, and then I blend, and then I just blend to make sure that there are no harsh lines. Then I go into my colored dream queen of hearts palette. Guys, this is my best palette ever. So I start off with a brown shade. I have two shades of brown there, the lighter one and the darker one. So I usually start off with a lighter shade of brown. I'll just use that all over my eye. This is going to serve as my transition shade. So going in with this big fluffy blending brush, I'll just stamp that all over my crease area and then blend out upwards. Blend, blend, blend. Guys, blending is key. So the one thing you should have at the back of your mind when you're doing any eyeshadow look is to always make sure you blend out, so you don't want to see any harsh lines. Now I'm going in with a denser, smaller brush. I'm going to take the darker shade of brown and just pack this on my crease area, just on the crease. I'll pack this shade on the crease area, and then I'll go back in with that fluffy bigger brush and then blend out to make sure there are no harsh lines. So what we just want to do is to make sure we blend out at every stage. At every stage you're at, you have to make sure you blend so that we don't see any harsh lines. That's the best way to get a transition. That's the best way to get your eyeshadow to look smooth and all your colors to transition properly. You can see how I'm using the bigger brush to just blend out any lines that was created by that darker shade. Now you can see how beautiful it looks already. The next thing I'm going to do, this is my trick to get the perfect black smoky eyes. I'll go in with a gel liner, and this is the Zaron gel liner. I'll go in with a black gel liner, and that's going to be the base for the black eyeshadow. So I'm just going to go in with this gel liner. I'll use a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'll put this shade just on my eyelid. I'm not going to take it off to my crease. I'll just put this on my eyelid. Guys, this trick is very easy. You're gonna see how beautiful this is gonna look, and when you try it, you're gonna see how easy it's going to look. Now, because I like to do my foundation before my eyeshadow, this helps to make sure I don't get any shadow fallout. So I'll do the, after I'm done with that, I'll go in with another pointy, this is a pointy crease, no, I won't call it a crease brush. I'll just go in with another brush and take a black eyeshadow. I'm using the black eyeshadow from my Anastasia Beverly Hills soft glam palette. Now I'll go in with that black eyeshadow and I'll use it, tap it off. When you use your brush to pick up any color, make sure you tap it off. Tap off the excess so that you don't have any shadow fallout on your foundation on the bottom, on the under of your eyes. So I'll now use this and blend out this gel liner that I used. So make sure I use it to blend out all the harsh lines, and then I'll just also pack it onto the gel liner as well. This is going to give me the perfect black smoky look. Guys, this is very easy to do. This can be done in under 5 minutes. Like low-key, this is the easiest way to get a smoky eyes, to do your smoky black eye. Now I'm just packing it on and making sure I'm blending out any harsh lines. You can see how beautiful it's coming out. Then I go in with the brush I use for the darker shade of brown. I'll just use this to blend out any harsh lines. Now I want the black to transition smoothly into the brown shades, so I'm using that brush to just make sure I blend out all the harsh lines. Guys, this look is coming out beautifully. This is just so perfect. You want to be careful so that you don't do so much, you don't use too much of the black shade and then you end up having that raccoon eyes. So when you're doing the black, just make sure you don't take it upwards to your crease area. You're just blending it out softly into the crease so that it blends into that darker brown shade, and that's how you have the perfect smoky eyes, guys. So I'm using the brush I use for the dark brown. I'm just using it to blend out any harsh lines from the black eyeshadow. That's how you get your perfect transition. That's how you get your black smoky eye to transition from dark to light as it moves upwards. Guys, this is perfect. So I'm just going to replicate the same thing on the other eyes. This is just beautiful, guys. This is just perfect. It is very easy to do, can be done in 5 minutes, and you are out the door. So now the same way I did my transition for the for my eyes, that's what I'm going to do on the bottom part as well. So I'm going in with that light shade of brown first, and I'm going to go in with like a flat fluffy brush. So I'm just going to put that on the bottom lash first. Now the truth of the matter is that you can just leave your smoky eye this way and then do your black pencil, your black liner on the waterline, but I always like to smudge eyeshadow on my bottom lash, so that's what I'm doing right now. But you can just put pencil on your waterline and leave it this way. It's gonna look perfect, but I just like to do this. Is just another step for me. So the first thing I did the light brown shade, and I went in with a matte purple shade. And now I'm going to use the same gel liner I used. I'm going to use that on my waterline. I like to use gel liners on my waterline. I'm going in with a flat angled brush. I mean, the eyes look really beautiful right now. At this point you can leave it this way, but I just want to take my smoky to another level. I just want to give it a pop of color. You know, I really love smoky look, and then I also love purple as well. I love purple color, so I'm going to you can leave it this way, but for me I'm going to take it a step further. So I'm going into my Juvia's Place palette, and I'll take that gorgeous, that beautiful purple shade there with a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to stamp this on the bottom. I'm just going to smudge this out on my bottom lash. Now guys, just look at this look. Just look at it. It's so beautiful, guys. I love purple, I love smoky eyes, so the two together is a beautiful combination. So I'm just smudging that purple on my bottom lash. Now look at it, guys. It's so pretty. Don't worry, I'm going to have a list of all the products I use down below on the description box. Just next I go in and I use my mascara. I'm just using the mascara to arrange my lashes before I use my false lashes. I always do my mascara before false lashes. So this 5-in-1 pack, I'll also put a description. I'll also put the link down to where I got the pack of lashes. It's actually very beautiful. So after guys, I would have a video. I'll do a tutorial on how to fix false lashes. I'll have that up by next week or next 2 weeks. So after my false lashes, I'll do the rest of my face off camera. So I'm gonna link, I have a video on how I create the perfect base. I'm going to link that in the description box down below, and I'll also leave a link to where I got the lashes from as well. So this is perfect. I'll go and do the rest of my face now, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, there you have it. This is the final look. I really like how this look came out. I really enjoyed creating this look. So this is one of my all-time favorite look. I really love smoky eyes, and it's quite easy and fun to create. This is good for like date night out with the girls, you know, night out clubbing and all that. It's very simple to create, very elegant, and very, very nice. All right, now let me I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned a thing or two. Please let me know what you think down in the comment section, and also I'm going to put a link to my foundation routine video, so you see how I got the perfect base. All right, thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.